Welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary. Are you ready for another makeup tutorial? I'm sure you are. Today I'm getting ready with you and starting with my primer. Staple products. I enjoy using them every day. Face primer on. Now my eye primer. I work with my primers first so that I don't miss out on them, because I really enjoy eye primers and face primers. It gives me a nice base and my makeup slides on. CC cream, you know that. I love to apply CC cream and I take my own sweet time to work with my CC cream. A mini face massage, pretty quick, pretty easy, and of course it feels awesome. This is the only CC cream I have applied so far and I fell in love with it, and I do not feel the need to change my CC cream at all. What's your favorite CC cream? Do you like CC creams? Look at that, so brightening and nice coverage. Luminosity is my favorite part. CC creams or foundations, because of this reason. I love that glow, luminous feel on my skin. So a nice face massage with my CC cream. Everything well blended. Step 4 in my makeup routine is concealer. Now I need my mirror. Yeah, all those areas where I need a little brightening, at least I feel so. This also gives my eyeshadows a nice base. Pretty quick, pretty easy, super glam look. That's the look for the day. My makeup sponge helps me always to blend this concealer all over those areas where I want brightening. I take my time with blending, you all know that. Eyeshadows or foundation or concealer or CC cream, blending helps brighten up. And time to apply my powder. All the product details have been mentioned in the description box. You can check the description box so that you are aware of the products I'm using to create this look. These are the staple products in my everyday makeup routine. And as you know, this is my VISEART Bijoux Royal series. That's no surprise, right? But the lip product is a surprise. I'm not going to reveal the name. Yes, you need to check the description box if you want to know what I'm wearing on my lips. And along with that, the whole face makeup routine. Yeah, the product details. It takes a lot of time to write all the product details, and I started doing that after my friends started requesting about the product details. So please go through it. I will feel very nice about it if you read the whole list. And you can let me know how many of these products are already your favorites. Okay, so I'll be waiting for your comments. Yeah, powder is on, and I'm not going to dust it right away. I am going to start with my brows, and this is a new shadow which I started using to create my brows because I was running out of my VISEART Petite Pro eyeshadow. Yes, and I found a close match in my makeup collection, so I just started using that, and it is working pretty well. And that's what I always reiterate, right? If you find similar shades in your own makeup collection, please go through that and start working with that. This is a limited edition palette from LORAC, and this is the shade. See, yeah, it works for me. It's a close match to my hair color and I'm pretty happy with it. When it comes to eyebrow makeup, eyeshadows are my best way to go because I think it helps me create nice brows pretty quickly. I'm super satisfied with this practice. If you have watched my eyebrow makeup video, you will know I've talked about it, that I've tried many products, brow wax and pencil, in fact pencil liner as well, yes, but this process works for me and I am really happy, satisfied with my brow makeup routine. Alright, pretty quick, right? Getting rid of the excess and then going to apply a nice brow gel, which is, by the way, a new step in my makeup routine, but I am very much in love with this step because it gives me a nice volume there on my brows and I really enjoy it. Done. Yes, my friends, almost there. I've done couple of get ready with me videos, but if you have not watched those videos, at least you can watch this one and get to know about my makeup routine. Yeah, it is nice to share that. Starting with my bronzer. Defining my jawline, giving my face a nice definition, and you know, warming up my cheekbones, my hairline, my jawline, and little bit right here. Nothing pinpointed, just a little bit of it, yeah. And this step is for dusting the powder. Right, pretty quick, pretty easy. And now, my friends, I'm going to apply my blush. It always brings smile on my lips and on my apples of the cheeks. See, smiling, smile while applying your blush. It is a very nice and subtle blush. I love it, especially when I want to pair my red lips with my eyeshadows. I like it. Nice. A little bit of highlight. Why not? This is my Essence highlight. It's a very nice, you know, champagne kind of shade. Love it. Making a half circle and little bit on my forehead, my temple, and even on the apples of my cheeks. Looks nice. And little bit here. And this one is my favorite. Yeah, I started appreciating it very much. Which one is your favorite highlight? Can you mention that on the comment section? I would like to check that out. This one plus the Balm Cosmetics highlight, that's my favorite. Now, lip color, not now. Starting with my Bijoux Royal. And as I mentioned yesterday, that there will be one day I would use only one eyeshadow, just to show you that one eyeshadow can also give me a nice, super glammed up look. And that day is today, my friends. Yes, going to use this shade. It's a beautiful brown. And of course it has nice shimmer. The whole palette is a shimmery one. Look how gorgeous it is. One swipe, full on color, and you will see how this gives me a nice, beautiful look. That's the first layer. And I am going to satisfy myself with this color because today I am using only this shade, which is very rare in my case. All the shades are so gorgeous. Actually, I'm using this brush as my blending brush. This is my base shadow brush. I'm using only that shadow on my transition, overall my lid area. And now time for my liners and mascara. Alright my friends, this is my pencil liner, and today I decided to wear my pencil liner on my lower lash line and on my upper lash line as well. And after that I am going to smudge it with my base eyeshadow brush one more time. I really want a faded out effect here with my pencil liner. Okay, and now one more time my VISEART eyeshadow, taking the same shade and on the center of the lid, patting motion. So applying the second layer of color, dusting. You can still see the magic of my black liner there, but it is quite faded out effect. And now I'm going to use my liquid liner. That's right, pretty smoky effect, and at the same time this is a beautiful touch. Just a little wing here, not too much, not going that long with my wing today. Try to reach as close as possible to your lash line and fill in the gaps. So yeah, a little bit of extra touch up. You know, liquid liners are tricky ones, but with practice you will get there. Alright, pretty happy. Pretty quick, simple, easy, and super glam. And to add icing on the cake, the magic of red lips. This part is the easiest one. Doesn't have to be very pinpointed here. Already feeling a lot glammed up. And now, of course, this is Dior, but the shade name in the description box. And if you already know the shade name, thank you. Let me know on the comment section. You know, I love my lipsticks as much as I love my eyeshadows, and I take my own sweet time to apply my lipsticks because it just is amazing. It is my well-loved, some mascara. Before that, gently and carefully. So these are the steps, my staple steps in my everyday makeup routine, and I hope you are enjoying these videos, and I hope you are having fun watching these videos as well. I'm really having fun making these videos for all of you, and if you are enjoying watching these videos, that means a lot to me. Was necessary, but I forgot. That's okay. So my VISEART Bijoux Royal Day 2 done, and now I'm going to rock this look, and it's your turn to play with these colors and enjoy the look, rock the look, and have a great day. Bye. See you soon. Come back soon tomorrow, okay? Can't wait to share another look with all of you. Bye makeup lovers. Have a good day.